Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to log in into your X account with easy steps. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that might be problem for the app. Turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again, or you have to switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is open the X app on your phone, or if you are using a laptop PC, open your browser and go to the official X website, or make sure you are install the X app on your laptop or PC or phone for the app for the app, and then open the X app. Once the open website or once the app or website load, tap or click on login button, and here you will see the down login option. Click on login. Now the enter your email address, phone number, or username that you used to while creating your account. Now click on next. You will see the enter your phone number or username. Now enter your which you have. Click on that. Here you will see password. Then type in your password carefully. After that, tap or click on login. After that, tap or click on login. If your details are correct, you will instantly enter your account and see your home feed where you can read, post, follow people, and share your own updates. If you forgot your password, simply tap on forget password and follow instruction to reset it. And that's it. That's how you log in into your X account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.